first fluffy one. I put crunchy balls inside. I started off weird. Yeah. I'm like showing you guys all my slime, so yeah. If you hear now, Lo's like going, that's my mom's boy there.
We'll put these off over here.
Make off the
Tell me my bag. Let me see. How much you want me to do me? Let me see.
No, not yet. Just it's so sticky. Guys, you guys are in it. It's really cool. I think I'll try this song.
Hello there. We're so glad you came to our secret headquarters today.
And this one here has 6 slimes.
You like to play hide and seek?
So there's
Alright, play with us.
I made some of
I
them
can
crunchy
show you a
last night.
picture of Millie right here on my belly.
Billy
Probably with my parents.
Millie has long ponytails, and she can change the pattern of her dress to match anything. So we're gonna have to look really carefully to find her.
Let's go look for her. When you see Millie, say Millie.
Millie.
Millie, you found me. Nice finding.
Mighty clever hiding, Millie.
You made your dress look just like the cactus. That's why I couldn't see you. It's a perfectly pretty pattern. That dress is the best. Why, thank you.
It's the Umi alarm. That sound means someone needs our help.
When someone has a problem in Umi City, we fix it with our mighty rat powers. We're Team Umizoomi.
Sorry, I'd rather watching Team Only.
Belly, belly.
Team Umizoomi, it's me.
See for crunchy.
I really need your help. Hi, Jamie. What's the problem? Today's the big kite festival. I bought my special dragon kite
This is kind of hard.
Hello, Umi friend.
So you will show us the ways it goes.
Let's get our mighty rat powers
Wait,
ready.
subscribe to my channel if you're new here. The like button and comment below what is your favorite slime. Please don't put any mean comments because I'm really nice. I haven't been mean to anybody. I just did funny videos. Hello. I'm sorry. But I really like holding it. So I'm sorry if I do it. But if I don't do the you, then don't put my cameras on.
I can show you anything on my belly screen.
Traveling lights.
You got mighty math powers too. Let's see your mighty math powers. Count down with me. Start with 5. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
You got mighty math powers.
You got it.
Mighty math powers. You got it. You got mighty math powers. Keep moving, zooming, ready for action. Now our mighty math powers are ready. Let's go find Teeny Kite.
We need to get to the kite festival fast.
Come on, we'll take the movie car. Yummy! Geo! Oh. Wow!
Hold on, you guys.
Okay, team, seatbelts on.
To make the movie car
I
zoom
need to put a little light in here.
fast, say,
So I put on
Obi,
kit.
Zoomy!
I had my phone.
Obi, Zoomy!
I'm sure my face get on my ground because my mom's gonna throw my phone beads away. Like my whole back of them. I only have one pack of them. I kept getting this, so I had to put them in a Ziploc bag. Go to a family. No, if you live in Ehrenberg or in Blythe in Arizona, go to Dollar Tree. They have those. They have like little Ziploc bags, but they're not Ziploc bags, like bags. Sorry,
Here we
my
are
son
at the
phone.
Kite Festival.
C for crunchy.
Killer kites.
Okay, team. We need to find the pieces of Genie's
Where's the
kite
best
so we can
fluffy
get it
one
back.
at? It probably
Where did
right.
that kite look like again, Bot?
Well, Geo, I just so happen to have a picture of it right here on my
Belly. Hey, this one's not sticky like the rest of my signs are.
Genie's dragon kite looks like this.
Ooh, it's the most magnificent dragon.
My phone just fell in my slime, you guys. Boom. It didn't even. I'm gonna put my foot up here. Anja! Get it from him! Because I can't, my hands are sticky. No! Oh, Anja, he got it! It's downloading!
Turn on his TV.
Josiah downloaded something. Mommy! Josiah downloaded something that he's not supposed to get.
Downloaded something?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's the most magnificent dragon kite I've ever seen.
It's like a fight
Look, that orange head is lots of
on the
stars.
TV.
Only friends, let's count the
Sorry
kites
guys.
together.
I just downloaded it. They're not supposed to download it.
3, 4,
He's a little
5,
baby.
6, 7, 8.
Finger.
8 sides. That's an octagon. And that green body has 4 sides. 2 are long and 2 are short. What shape is this?
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah,
It's not sticky. It's like the best one.
Dingle. The yellow shapes on the tail have 3 sides. Movie friend, what shapes are those? Yeah, they're triangles.
Oh, it's not sticky. It's just that I don't know if I do want it.
This is gonna be a
And like
great
it's always
chance
crunchy.
to get